In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable virtual backgrounds in Zoom. If you've ever turned on a virtual background or blur and want to get back to your real environment, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it quickly and confidently. We'll do everything right from the meeting window so you don't have to dig through menus. First, look at the Zoom toolbar, typically along the bottom of your meeting. Find the video camera icon. Just to the right of that icon, there's a small upward-facing arrow. Click that arrow. This opens a compact menu with quick video options, which is the easiest place to reach the settings you need during a live call. Even if your camera is currently off, the arrow is still visible and clickable. From that menu, click Video and Effects Settings. This will open Zoom's settings window focused on your camera and visual effects. It's helpful to think of this window as your control center for how you appear on screen. You can leave the meeting window open in the background. Nothing closes when you open Settings. Inside the Settings window, find the section labeled Virtual Background. This is where any background images, videos, or the blur effect are managed. To fully turn off the virtual background, click None. The moment you select None, Zoom removes any image or effect that was behind you, and your real background becomes visible. The change takes effect immediately, so you can glance back at your self-view to confirm it's updated. If you were using blur, choosing None disables the blur as well. A few helpful tips while you're here. After disabling the background, check your lighting and camera framing. Without a virtual backdrop, lighting becomes more noticeable, so facing a soft light source can make you look clearer. If you see options for green screen or studio effects, you can ignore them for now. Selecting None is all you need to fully disable the background. Also, switching off virtual effects can reduce the strain on your computer, which may improve call performance on older devices. To recap in one smooth flow, click the arrow next to the video icon, choose Video and Effects Settings, then in Virtual Background, select None. That's it. You're back to a clean, authentic video feed. If you don't see the virtual background section, your account or device may have restrictions, but in most cases these controls are available in the meeting window as shown. Thanks for watching and enjoy a distraction-free, natural look in your Zoom calls.